Hey folks, Don Spencer, President OK2A. I've got some very, very exciting news. In fact, this is probably one of the most important bills that we will deal with this year in the state legislature. House Bill 1236 is back alive and is back in play. I am so thrilled to see, and I want to thank Senator Pro Tem Greg Treat and the Speaker of the House for getting together for how important this bill is. This is the 10th Amendment States' Rights Bill. And what it does is it addresses two things, making sure that either the Attorney General or the state legislature can deal with any federal government overreach. In fact, I'm going to read some of this to you real quick in here. What this bill does is it creates, there is hereby created within the Office of the Attorney General a State Reserve Powers Protection Unit to monitor and evaluate any action by the federal government, including but not limited to executive orders by the President of the United States, rules or regulations promulgated by an agency of the federal government, or acts of Congress to determine if such actions are in violation of the 10th Amendment to the Constitution of the United States. If reviewed by the unit of any such action by the federal government concludes that the action is an infringement on the state's authority under the 10th Amendment, the Attorney General shall determine whether the state should seek exemption from application of the action or seek to have an action declared unconstitutional. Folks, this is huge, and I'm going to read one other point of it real quick. Paragraph C in this, it says, notwithstanding any other provision of law, the state, county, or political subdivisions of any publicly funded organization shall not implement, adopt, or enforce any order, federal agency rule, or federal congressional action declared unconstitutional by a court of competent jurisdiction under this section, including but not limited to. And here's the things that we've specifically enumerated in this. 1, pandemics or other health emergencies. Number 2, regulations of natural resources, including oil and natural gas. Number 3, the regulation of agricultural industries. Number 4, the use of land. Number 5, the regulation of the financial sector as it relates to environmental, social, and governance standards. Number 6, the regulation of the constitutional right to keep and bear arms. Number 7, regulation of education. Number 8, regulation of interscholastic, intramural, or other extracurricular sports sponsored by an institution of higher education, a school district, or a charter school. Number 9, any other powers reserved by the state of Oklahoma or the people of Oklahoma. Folks, this is the government doing its job to protect its peaceful, lawful citizens. And like I say, I can't thank, I'm ecstatic. Senator Treat, thank you so much for getting this out here and doing this. Job well done. Speaker of the House McCall, thank you for getting this out and getting this going. I'm looking forward to the Senate signing this out and the House get it signed out, get it voted on, get it to the governor's desk because it has an emergency on it, although I think it doesn't go into effect until July. I'm looking at it real quickly here. It wouldn't go into effect until July 1. That's great. It would be there ready to defend us come Independence Day. And that's independence from a tyrannical government. So again, thank you so much, the legislature of the state of Oklahoma. Thank you so much for working this. This has been a huge concern for many, many Oklahoma citizens. You've come together, you've done it, and you've done a great job. So thank you very much.